show you around. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share my videos with others. Look at that. Big lines.
On his death point, he is buried there, and beautiful tomb is erected.
The companies, the fun area, and everything. Okay, I think we're done. We will go. Huh? Okay. I think we will go up and then show you around. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share my videos with others, hit on like button. Look at that. That is the PLF building, very old building. Brewery. That is the highest point from top of this building. There are like 3 or 4 breweries. That is the main road going to Jaipur from Delhi. That is very old PLF building. This is another old DLF building.
This place comes to life on weekends. These are all nightclubs and bars.
Oh, really good smell coming out. I think a lot of cooking happening. Today is Sunday, so there may be some events. Look at that. Where's the view? This is modern India. You must have seen India by many YouTubers showing you all the bad places, but they will not show you the places which are really good. This is one of that.
I used to have live kickboxing at night, and there's a bar on the table. Boys serving.
Happy hours 8 p.m. till 8 p.m. Fresh brew, beer and all. That culture of America or other countries. Evening happens, the beer and bars starts. This is another restaurant, Delhi the Shardi. What is that? Delhi the Shardi? What is the name? Delhi the Shardi? This place?
Delhi ki Sardi.
No, Delhi the Sardi. Delhi the Sardi. This is a restaurant. Oh, there are different restaurants. All of are different. That one is different, that one is different, that one is different. Yeah, a lot of good places. Sunday, Sundowner.
After lunch.
Ladies night, X-Max. A lot of events, I think. December events. This is Sutra Yutra.
Sutra.
Sutra Gastropub. I think a lot of pubs are here. And look at this view. Cyber Hub Gurgaon view from 3rd floor. Now we have elevator. We can take elevator and go. There is another restaurant. Okay.
Italian place.
Oh, it's really good.
Only is the Italian place.
Yeah. We can come here sometime. Okay, let's go.
Netto.
We are going towards Qutub Minar. We'll go inside. So much rush today. Ticket counter. There are big lines to get into. Look at that. Big lines. Indian ladies, children, emergency export.
ऑनलाइन की कोई क्विक क्यू नहीं है।
हाँ,
तो ऑनलाइन है जिसने किया हुआ वो सीधा आ जाएगा। जैसे ये क्यू उन लोग हैं जिन्होंने अभी ऑन स्पॉट टिकट चाहिए।
तो अपना ऑनलाइन थोड़ी ली है।
अब नहीं तो वो तो मैं ऐसे ही सोचते थे इंडिया में किसके साथ ऑनलाइन थोड़ी बात।
There was like a big line. So that's a Qutub Minar in Delhi. This is Qutub Minar area. This is very historic place, around 500-600 years old. It's Qutub Minar means it's a tower built by Qutubuddin. See these rocks and this mixture. Look at that. This thing is really old. This is an old structure sitting there 400-500 years old. And this is what it says. Qutub al-Islam Masjid. Qutub Minar. Allah Minar. So, he's a guide? Namaskar. We have a guide who is going to explain everything. So we have hired a guide. So I'll show you the other side.
English.
हिंदी चाहिए इंग्लिश?
हाँ, इंग्लिश अगर बोल सकते हो तो हाँ?
As you like.
Okay. So our guide can talk in English and he is going to explain
Delhi,
about this place.
Our city in India, this is 5,000 years old. One of the oldest cities in the world and one of the biggest. It is largest in India. So Delhi has been divided into 5 main parts: Central Delhi, East, West, North and South. Every part Delhi like a metropolitan city. This is South Delhi. But 4 kilometers land here. Not exactly, but nearly middle in South Delhi. Central South Delhi 4 kilometers. this part became very and too much important in Indian and world history. Only 1000 years ago, capital of Indian territory except South India brought it here. Founded by Tomar dynasty. Tomar is the second last Hindu dynasty in Indian territory, not as a king of many kings. After Tomar, the last dynasty also ruled from the same 4 kilometers, Chauhan dynasty. And Tomar and Chauhan, their tenure is less than 150 years. Last Chauhan emperor in India, you know the name?
Prithviraj
Chauhan. Whole world know his name, but British don't know his name. And this monument, Qutub Minar, less than half kilometer area premises, it is in the middle of the 4 kilometers capital of Prithviraj Chauhan. We are inside the capital premises of Prithviraj. Prithviraj's tenure is 850 years ago. While Prithviraj was 11 years old, he is coronated, put crown on him, and he ruled 24 years. During 24 years of his governance, he conquered around 100 more kings of Middle East Asia and West Indian territory. While Prithviraj Chauhan, 35 years old, he is controlling 450 kings of modern India, central West India, and eastern part of Middle East Asia. And it was a seat of power. 40 lakhs army in Prithviraj Chauhan 850 years ago. The strongest army, richest economy, perfect administration, doing all the things quite correct. In spite of these realities, Prithviraj Chauhan is politically betrayed, cheated and killed in the high conspiracy by one of the Muslim kings.
There was a movie also.
Yes.
Prithviraj.
Muhammad Ghori, king of Afghanistan, who planned and killed him in Afghanistan.
Jayachand betrayed.
He was one of the conspirators.
Yeah.
So Prithviraj anyhow killed in Afghanistan, former capital Ghazni city. Then Muhammad Ghori and his 80,000 Muslim soldiers invaded this capital, conquered and captured it. Right from this 4 kilometers in Indian history, Muslim governance started. And once Muslim power launched in India, you know the Indian history very well. Muslim ruled less than 700 years, continuously, not as a king, as an emperor. 7 dynasties in 700 years, 1192, 1857. And 700 years, 7 different Muslim dynasties ruled India. First 6 dynasties, they all belong from Afghanistan plus Turkey. Afghan and Turk, 6 dynasties have 6 different names. First dynasty, slave dynasty, also called Ghulam Vans. Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Shayyad dynasty, Lodi dynasty and Suri dynasty. Slave to Suri 6. It is 340 years plus 15. 355. Means less than 360 years, 6 dynasties. Afghan Turk 6 together kept under one term in the world history, together known as Delhi Sultanate or Delhi Sultanate, means Delhi Empire, means what big territory of India governed from this 4 kilometers. This is called in Islamic term Delhi Sultanate, in Hindi term Delhi Samraj, in English Delhi Empire, means it was a big power point. And Sultanate, all 6 dynasties rulers called Sultan. Sultan means emperor, Sultanate is empire. And 7th and last Muslim dynasty migrated in India from Russian route Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan is very new name, 100 years onwards. Older name of Uzbekistan was Fargana. So people today forget Fargana. The whole world know Uzbekistan. So Uzbek 7th Muslim known as Mughal dynasty. Mughal is the last and 7th. But one Mughal ruled India 320 years. And Mughal rulers called Mughal Badshah, not Sultan. Pre-Mughal all are Sultan. Sultan means emperor, Badshah means emperor. Badshah is Persian term, Sultan and is Afghan and Turk term. After Mughal British took over, then India independent. So we are inside the capital premises. And during 9 emperors of Hindu dynasties, Tomar and Chauhan, up to Prithviraj Chauhan, 9 emperors developed this half kilometer. That is this garden, this height big platform of the stone. This stone was there, 4 feet high platform. 4 sides it is fenced with a tall wall, 16 feet tall wall, and many pillars in middle, and one big roofed. And on top of the roof, one aspired Sikhar of the mandir. One garden earlier, one temple, mandir. Another garden, another platform, wall, pillars, roof, and Sikhar. 3rd, 4th, 5th, out of half-kilometer monument today. Its 80% part is green area, and there are 26 big gardens, means 26 big temples. And total is 27 confirmed by India government research. One inside the wall premises, 27. Every temple dedicated to different god and goddesses, Shiva temple, Lakshmi, Vishnu, Krishna, Kali, and statues. Installed 4 colors of stone: blue stone, pink stone, white and black. It is sapphire and onyx, very expensive stone. So 2 meters means weight is up to 10 quintals. 1 gram today blue sapphire, pure quality, or onyx, up to 40,000 rupees in Indian currency. And 10 quintals weight, very challenging to calculate today. And even up to Prithviraj Chauhan, richest nation in the world, so every idol decorated with diamond, emerald, rubies. So it is too much expensive. One temple value during Prithviraj Emperor, 20 lakh Dilhali. Those days the name of currency of India was Dilhali, after the name of city Delhi. Today is Rupiah. So 800 years ago, 2 million. Today very difficult to calculate. So Sultanate starts, and first slave dynasty, ruled 95 years. In first dynasty, 95 years, they had 11 sultans. Out of 11, first 3 are very famous. First name is Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. His first name is Qutb, Q-U-T-U-B. So after his name, it is called Qutb Minar, means Tower of Qutb. Qutb made this tower for the 2 main purposes. First, as a tower of victory, conqueror of India and founder of Islamic era in India history. Second, to give a prayer calling, Allah Akbar, from very top. But prior to making tower, Qutb, he decided making first Muslim mosque in Indian territory. And he selected the temple place to convert as a mosque. And he issued an official order, removed all the 27 temples taken down. Prior to temples removed, they removed the diamond, rubies, emerald, and statues broken into tiny pieces and small pieces of the jewelries, onyx and sapphire. It is reused for making the jewelries for the women of first Muslim dynasty. That's snatched by second dynasty, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and up to Mughal 7. And from Mughal it is taken by British. Now it is in England. Here just the history and the story remains. Then Qutb ordered remove all 27 temples, removed. Roof removed. Wall and pillars removed. And 26 platforms dressed. Now 26 gardens. One platform kept inside the wall. And that was particular god of Lord Vishnu temple. Vishnu temple platform intact today. And that size is 35 meters by 45 meters. So Qutb ordered first mosque. He engaged local Hindu engineers, workers and scientists to make the mosque, because he brought only 80,000 Muslim army, and army will not make the masjid and building. So first masjid on the Vishnu platform by Qutb in 4 years. 1192 Islam invaded, conquered. Next year 1193 mosque work started, and 1197 masjid completed. Then brother Muslim going through this middle gate inside the masjid, facing this way. It is west. West of India is Mecca, and namaz started. Then his successor was his son-in-law Shamsuddin Iltutmish after Qutb. And after Shamsuddin's daughter is the 3rd ruler. Her name Razia Sultan. Razia III, first woman in India and 3rd woman in the world history. Razia III, Razia father second, Razia's Nana, Qutb family first, Qutb first, going ahead. So Nana of Razia made platform as a masjid. Then father extended the mosque 3 times bigger, Shamsuddin. You see that 4-pillar roof corridor in the middle? And this pillar continuously going up to the tower.
So that is some history he has given. It's truth coming out after Archaeology Department of India. They are doing digging and finding out the remaining parts of old temples broken by Muslim rulers. This is the rush. This is one of the
These are the graves.
graves.
These are graves
Ah,
of Imam of the Masjid. Out of Delhi Sultanate 6 dynasties, all Imam, 24 Imams of Delhi Sultanate, all are buried inside the Masjid premises. Islam says Masjid is house of Allah, not a burial ground. But it is first time in the whole world history in Islam, the burial is started by official order of Sultan, because they are not simple Imam, they are highly enlightened persons. In Islam it is called, they have great Ruhani Taqat. In Hinduism, Adhyatmik Shakti.
now we are going to walk towards different elements, points of
This is the World Heritage.
Qutub Minar area.
In India, World Heritage mainly to be declared by UNESCO. So this is UNESCO site. In India, we have 42 World Heritage sites, but 3 in them. Qutub Minar is one, another is Red Fort, also called Lal Killa. Third is Humayun's tomb, Humayun ka maqbara. But for 4th in Delhi, Government of India has applied before UNESCO for declaration World Heritage, where Mahatma Gandhi, father of India, is cremated on the bank of river Jamuna, Raj Ghat, 22 kilometers away from here. So that's on process, maybe within a year and 2, that will also declare World Heritage. If that declared World Heritage, then in India 43, in Delhi 4. Today it is 3. Now come here. So name of the mosque, it is written Qubatul Islam Mosque. Qubat is an Arabic word, not Indian, but Indian people also use this word every day. They say in talking language, आपकी कितनी कुव्वत है, ताकत है. Qubat is ताकत. So the name of the masjid in English, Mosque Might of Islam. Mosque, power of Islam. In Hindi, name is Masjid Islam ki Taqat. It is the name, but actual name in Arabic, Qubatul Islam. But today this masjid is not functional. It was 850 years continuously functional masjid, 1192 till 1952 after independence. Namaz was going on. It is Qutub Minar and this is Alai Darwaza. Alai is a Persian. His full name was Alauddin Khilji. He was Sultan of 2nd Khilji dynasty, Turkish dynasty. But his first name, childhood name, family name was Alai, who made a main gate for entry and exit inside the mosque.